Alright, I wanted to make a quick video. It's nice and hot out today. Quick video on how to make your own Triumph Daytona 765. So let's flip this around. Alright, so I have the S2 Concepts fairing kit. I just kind of slapped it on because I'm like between track days right now and I'm working on some stuff. Right, you can see wiring harnesses hanging out and all that. But yeah, so these are basically, a street triple for all intents and purposes is a Daytona with the fairings taken off and some dirt bars on. So I think all the mounting points and everything are still there for the most part. And S2 and some other companies make different ones, but honestly, I think the OEM fairing kit is probably the best way to go. I like this kit, it looks good, but it needed some work to fit right. So I'll just show you a couple of things. I had to move the whole thing back about an inch because what was the issue with it? I think there was a mount on the bottom that wasn't connecting. Or no, I remember what it was. Yeah, there was interference here. See how this is like an inch of clearance? When I originally mounted it, this was basically rubbing. The tire was rubbing on the belly pan. So that was weird. I didn't get that. What happened with that? I don't know. I hope the bike is okay. It looks fine to me. It rode fine at the track. The other thing was this is a track only fairing, and so I really had to hack up over here because I wanted to keep the kickstand. Even at the track, it's just convenient to not have to scramble to get your rear stands up. Other than that, it's pretty cool. It's Kevlar. It's reinforced where it needs to be. They send you the bracket as well. The stock, I think I 3D printed a bracket for the gauges. Oh, that's gonna be fun to put back. Yeah, I 3D printed a bracket for the gauges, but I think if you have the OEM, all that hardware, which I did not have, then it'll mount fine. Obviously, you have to change the clip-ons. I've been playing around with different options just to get the best feel and leverage. I'm kind of debating whether actually to go back to naked, but I'm already in too deep. As you can see, I've already bought everything. So yeah, if you're thinking about oh man, I wish they made the Daytona, they got to bring back the Daytona. They already have it, bro. All you have to do is buy the fairings and mount them. And I think you can pretty much, if you get the right fairing stay, you can mount the last 675. I don't know what generation it is, but the last 675, you can definitely mount them on. I've seen them. One Moto or Sharks, they have a Shark Skins kit that uses the OEM fairing, and I think that will, that'll accommodate your kickstand, and it should bolt right up. And I think if you want a street bike, don't hold me to this, don't sue me, don't go crazy, but I'm pretty sure if you can find a stock headlight, they're expensive and kind of hard to find, but if you that bird is loud. We'll see how this goes. But yeah, if you find a stock headlight and you are okay to kind of do a little wiring, That's one thing that's kind of problematic. I don't know if this harness will connect to the old Daytona headlight, but yeah, you could convert this to a Daytona for the street, possibly. So it's just something to look into. Yeah, every time there's a video about a street triple, oh man, I wish they brought the Daytona back. Like, they honestly kind of did. You just have to turn a couple wrenches. One thing I will say about this kit is they also have accommodations to mount it to a speed triple if you want. So that is pretty cool, because then you can, obviously then you have like a Triumph leader bike. But I'm good with this. I'm slow, so I'm gonna work with this and go from there. But yeah, I just wanted to put that up.